Hello guys, my name is Lily and we are going to make fishing lures. And this is front porch tackle.
Is that what you want to say? Alright, that's right guys. Welcome back to Front Porch Tackle. Today we're going to do things a little bit different. Laylee's going to run the show. She's going to pick the colors. She's going to pick the glitter. And we're just going to shoot it in. Alright, so first things first, let's get all your glitters out of the way.
My glitter. Shake it up and let's put this in there. No, just get down the dollar in there and then put it in the microwave. Please,
Huh?
this is whatever I want to do.
Okay. You're right. You're running the show. Let's do this.
Now put it in there, Daddy.
Alright, put your little bit in there.
Whee!
However much you think. Alright, that's probably enough. You don't want it to be too colorful. You want it to be a little bit translucent until it's going on.
I want to mix it up. This gonna look awesome, baby. This looks good. I like that turtle look.
You like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't add no more paint.
Alright, let's get it heated up right quick and see what color. Oh. This is your lures right here. Put whatever glitter you want in there. Don't forget you got other glitters. Let me go and put some more in there. Here, you're making it. Go ahead. It's your bait. You do it how you want it.
That's doing enough.
Yeah, so we can mix it before it
This
starts
means-
gelling up.
Yeah. This one really wanna.
You like it silver, don't you?
More.
Put too much gold, you ain't gonna see anything else. Alright, something else.
Daddy, I want to mix it up.
Okay, well you're gonna have to hurry before it turns into gel. You won't be able to mix it up. Two more.
You need to open it.
Here, let me shake it for you.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
Alright.
Now, people, be careful because this is really, really hot.
That looks very glittery. Alright, Lily. Slide back a little bit so we can shoot some of this and see how it turns out. We'll go ahead and we'll do the worm mold first.
Now we're doing this mode.
We'll do that in a second.
I want to do it, Daddy. I want to do it. I want to put it in there.
Okay, alright, I don't want you to get burnt. So.
Let me do it. Let me do it, Daddy. I won't go.
Alright.
Let me add a little bit
Stop.
more to the top. Wow.
That's crazy looking. Hold that up there before you rip it apart. Hold it up there so they can see it. Don't rip it apart yet. Don't rip it apart yet.
Look at that.
Huh. So that's what you got.
A fishing lures. Daddy done a fish with it only.
I'm gonna fish with that. Hold it up close so they can see what it looks like.
See it? That
Hold it up.
Sorry.
Hey, up.
So, I thought it's not that good, but I did it good. Let me see, show you a little bit closer.
Be still. Let it focus. Hold it down. Be still. There you go.
So, that one, the first one. This the mom, you know, right? This is the dad. He
Hold it
pooped.
down. Be still. Alright.
I don't know that right. This is the kid. Yeah. Not that very good. But this is a tiny baby. See?
And what do you call that color exactly?
Pink.
Yeah, but what, like with all that glitter, what do you call it?
Mermaid tail.
Mermaid tail.
Yes.
Well, okay then.
Hey! Yank. Yank.
Alright, let's go ahead and see what we can do with the crappie jig mold, the 2.5 inch curly tail.
That and then we done. I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna put it in there.
Well, I thought them clamps would hold better, but it just squeezed out the top a little bit.
It's fine.
You also pressed it very hard too.
Yeah.
That's all empty.
Here's the finished product.
Hold up. Let's see what they look like. Wow, that actually is really cool, lady. Those over there have a lot of flashing because of how the mold, for whatever reason, did not seal off on the top. These over here, that's pretty cool.
I love this part, guys. Here's the first one.
Hold it up. Hold it up. You held it down below the camera. Hold it up. Yep.
Here's the box I put it in. See?
What you got in there?
Oh, ton of fishing stuff
Where'd you get all that?
from Dada.
You've been getting lures down my tackle box?
Yeah.
Lay them back down though. Let's display them right there for a second.
Them is awesome. You might don't know what them is, but they're mermaid tails. I didn't turn a dark, guys. We need to go to bed. So this is the end of the show. And you need to like if you're trying if you like this show.
Like and subscribe if you like this show.
Yeah. Bye bye. Now